Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and I love having this broom dustpan set on all my dirty jobs.
This broom dustpan set comes from Baymu, and it is a game changer. It fits so nicely in our car, which is where we store all of our landscaping, parking lot cleaning equipment. And I just love how it sticks together, so easy to stand up and to grab and store. Very often we're cleaning the edges of curbs, and it makes it so easy to be able to sweep up all of the piles all over, whether it's garbage or debris. It's got so much capacity, you can easily tilt it back and get more room to fit the whole pile in there. And you then can easily carry to the mulch section and get it all out and ready for the next pile. Got an awesome cone on the dustpan, which cleans the broom so well. You then just place the broom inside and it closes up very nicely with a clip on the top to put it all together, which then makes it easy to put it back where it goes in your car when you're getting a job done. It really has made our jobs that we do every month so much easier. Just a simple thing, but makes such a big difference.
This is so easy to keep together, to store, to transport. It made life so much easier, and that's my point of view.